Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you can you play League of Legends on Linux? Unfortunately, not anymore. With Riot Games introducing Vanguard, its powerful kernel-level anti-cheat system, League of Legends has become incompatible with Linux environments. Vanguard operates deep within your system, and this level of access simply isn't allowed in Linux. Before patch 14.4, many players used tools like Wine, Proton, or Lutris to run the game smoothly. But after the update, all these workarounds stopped working. Launching the game now fails due to Vanguard's strict intrusion checks and system validation. The only current solution for Linux gamers who want to play League of Legends is to use a dual boot setup with Windows. So while Linux offers flexibility and freedom, for now, Summoner's Rift remains strictly a Windows battleground. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.